Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be using a clay wash by Chocolate Kinks and Curls. I have already previously used a clay wash of theirs in a previous video of mine, which is labeled as my first clay wash ever. And the name of that clay wash by Chocolate Kinks and Curls is the Russell's Cocoa Cream Clay Wash. Now for today, the clay wash by Chocolate Kinks and Curls, I'll be using the red clay and hibiscus clay wash. Now this is what the clay wash looks like on the inside. And it smells like red nail candy. Alright, I already used a sulfate shampoo to remove any product buildup to allow the clay wash to detox my hair and scalp. So I placed this satin cap and a plastic bag on my head to hold in the moisture so my hair wouldn't dry out before I used the clay wash last night. So what I'm going to do is begin on this section here. So I'm going to spray my hair with water because I have high porosity hair and it is very easy for the water to escape before applying the clay wash. As I apply the clay wash, I will be leaving each section of my hair down so you can see how the clay wash looks in my hair once I am done. I'm going to split this section into smaller sections and clip this section away. Now I'm just going to start off applying this from my scalp and dragging it down the strands of my hair. Now with Chocolate Kinks and Curls clay wash, I have noticed that it is easy to glide through your hair and it allows you to easily detangle your hair. I'm going to add just a little bit more water.
Why? What is wrong with you? It didn't happen.
Now I'm done applying the clay wash to this section, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just going to repeat this whole process throughout the rest of my hair. Alright guys, I am all done placing the clay wash throughout my hair, and this is what it looks like all over. I'm just going to take a few minutes to massage the clay wash onto my scalp to allow it to absorb into my pores and remove any toxins that may have entered my scalp from being outside, being exposed to the pollution outside. Alright guys, from here I'm just going to place my hair into sections, place a plastic bag, and place a satin cap on my head and let the clay wash sit for 30 minutes. This is how much of the clay wash I have left over from using it. Alright, I'll be back to show you what my hair looks like once I wash the clay wash out. Until then, bye. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm just going to take this satin cap off my head, and along with it, this plastic bag. I'm going to turn on the water. And now I'm going to rinse the clay wash out. Alright guys, so I have rinsed out all of the clay wash. This is what my hair is looking like. Step a little bit closer so you can get a closer view. Now, as far as how my hair is feeling, it doesn't feel all that moisturized from using the clay wash. So I will be deep conditioning after this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And don't forget to press that notification bell button so you'll be notified when I post another video. Until next time, bye.